Buckboat.
It's Buck Stallion time.
Yeah, it's Buck. Never seen him before. Go park your car, dude. Bring your boat ashore. It's Buck, a stallion so rad. You'll wanna Instagram him. Maybe tell mom and dad. Love Boat. Shit, it's not Love Boat, it's Buck Boat. I need more beer. I'm so confused. It's Buck Boat. Give me some Heineken tips. We're getting things done and the song's almost fun. Yo, yeah. Ooh, it's Buck. He sings songs you know, and you won't know them anymore. You'll only remember his version. Yeah, you'll never remember the original song. You'll only hear Buck Stallion's version. Oh, he'll ruin every song you ever loved.
Buck Stallion, the gift of gab. Let me check my itinerary if there's time to brag, cause I get busy throughout the week. If I ain't doing shows, I'm out snorting tweet playing. Yeah, just saying. You can catch me at the party straight verbal sauteing. I'm too busy getting big, cause when I get my cast, it's time to feed this pig. I'm not talking about the bank, I'm talking fill my tank with some Drake and some dank and some dirty skank. Go to Yankee spank my plank, get a swank rank room. The party must resume. Yeah.
Goes forever right here, huh? I don't know what to say right here.
We could trim it out if we need to.